This machine can produce free energy. "100% free energy." Is it true or fake? Let's find out. On YouTube you can find a lot of videos how guys are making free energy generators, like this video that is showing how to make a free energy generator out of car sparks, some copper coils, and let's see, it have over 390,000 likes and the views 32 million. I can't believe it how many guys are believing in this kind of free energy generators, and must say everything is fake. Every guy that is making a free energy generator is making that video about the views and about the money. Okay, I have made the same generator using two car sparks, the coil. You can see the video that is connecting the sparks in serial, and on ends he hook up a light bulb just like mine, and he's finished with the project and now he's gonna test it. And believe me, this is fake, using a magnet just like mine. And let's see. Whoa! It's working and producing free energy. Oh. Let me read you something from the internet. By the way, this is the photo of Nikola Tesla with his giant Tesla coil. Okay. Is it possible to free energy? Nope, that is impossible. It is, however, very easy to fake a YouTube video so that it seems to work. The reason is called the second law of thermodynamics. It means basically that there is no real world system that is 100% perfect, so that you always lose energy somewhere in the process and eventually run out. Okay, so here it is, my free energy generator, a fake energy generator, just to prove you that there is no such thing. Every video on YouTube is fake about free energy, and using this kind of magnets to produce free energy when you hook up two car sparks, a coil and a light bulb. But look, nothing happens. Do you know why? Because there is no electricity hookup. And it's very simple to fake a video on YouTube, and when I close the magnet, the energy will be produced. No, I'm actually manual switching on the power supply, so look, it's still on. Why? Because under the table there is wires, and those wires are connected to these metal pieces that go directly to the light bulb. Now I'm gonna disconnect. Whoa! Unplug it. Nothing happens. All videos on YouTube about free energy generators are fake. Don't believe it, don't like those kind of videos, and don't support them. Okay, that was a short demonstration about fake videos on YouTube. I hope you liked today's video, my video. If so, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! Free energy generator.